Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find Discord quests on the mobile app. So it's not available for every quest there is, but there are some quests that are only available on your mobile phone, and there's some that's only like on your PC, and there's some that's like available for both PC and mobile. So if you select the U option on the bottom right corner, you'll be able to see your profile, obviously. Then, as you can see, you can't see quests the same as you see it on like PC. You're going to go to settings on the top right corner of your screen. If you scroll down under building settings, there's going to be a quest tab, and that's where you can click on it. As you can see that there's a lot of quests that you can do. I've done most of it, as you can see, but you're just going to select accept quest for the quest that you want to basically get. Then you're just going to view the reward here, and you're going to, for instance, use now. And that's basically where the mobile app quests are. Again, it's not going to have everything like the PC app. So for instance, the Discord orbs, as you can see, you cannot see it on the mobile app, but you'll be able to see it on the PC. And there is also another one where it says only available on mobile. So you're going to do it on mobile. Again, where it is in settings on the top right corner. Scroll down, go to quests, and then here you're going to select accept quest on the quest that there is. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.